Look at this. Let me draw a line DE parallel to BC. Now this intersects the sides AB and AC at D and E. Fine. Now, do you think there is any relation between the sides of the triangle? There in fact is. And that relation is AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Now, if I have to say it in words, I'll say if we have a line parallel to one side of a triangle, then that line divides the other two sides in the same ratio. It's a very important theorem of triangles. It's given by Thales. And you know what? It is known as, I'm sure you've guessed it, basic proportionality theorem. Fine. Let's not just sit with the theorem. It's important, if we want to understand it well, that we get down to the proof. So here it is. Now what we do first is, obviously, a few constructions. Join BE and CD. That is simple construction. Now we need to drop two perpendiculars. There, DM perpendicular to AC and EN perpendicular to AB. Fine. Now we are going to use the concept of areas. What is the area of triangle ADE? You know the basic triangle formula, right? Half into base into altitude. So for ADE, look at the figure. Half into AD into altitude is EN. That was the perpendicular that we dropped. And area for triangle BDE, that is half into DB into EN, right? Because EN is the altitude. Now, area of triangle ADE, that is half into AE into DM, and area of triangle DEC, half into EC into DM. So we've got these four equations. Let's divide equation 1 by equation 2. What do we get? Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE is this. And half and EN get cancelled. So we have AD by DB. We do exactly the same with the remaining two equations. Divide 3 by 4. And what do we get? Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DEC is AE by EC. Now look at the figure. Do you see that triangle BDE and triangle DEC, they are on the same base, that is DE, and they are also between the same parallels, BC and DE. Same base, between the same parallels, areas have to be equal. So area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle DEC. Now from our equations 5, 6 and 7, what do we get? AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. And that's exactly what the basic proportionality theorem says. And also, you know, the converse of this theorem is true. Now don't expect me to prove that for you. That's your homework.